How to reset network settings on Panasonic TV. Step 1. Press the menu button on your remote. Step 2. Navigate to Network and press OK. Step 3. Choose Network Connection and press OK. Step 4. Select New Connection to start the network setup process. Step 5. The TV will guide you through setting up a new network connection, allowing you to modify your network settings without affecting other configurations. You can perform a factory reset, which will restore all settings including network configurations to their default state. Press the menu button on your Panasonic TV remote. Use the arrow keys to select Setup and press OK. Scroll down to System and press OK. Find and select Factory Defaults or Reset to Defaults. A prompt will appear warning that all settings will be erased. Select Yes to confirm.